Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to delete Tutanota account. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, head towards your web browser and type tutanota.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now you will see this page and click on login, which is at top right corner of the website. Enter your email and password and click on login. After which you will get inside the Tutanota. Now click on settings, which is at left sidebar, and click on subscription. Now scroll down a bit and you will see delete account button. Click on it. Now mention why you want to delete the Tutanota account and provide your email and password and hit on delete button. It will ask for confirmation and you have to click on OK. And your account is deleted. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.